Ya se lo oído, paesano mio. Paesano mio, bigger chunks of paesano mio, for the family to have. I don't like how big these chunks are, but they're gonna be alright, I think. It's always good to have a little bit of Italiano cheeses. Got to have the cheeses. Shredded. I like to have my cheeses. You put it on, let it go in like this is. Look how birdies. Gotta make it slappies. Don't need to make it too neat. We're having a fun Friday night. Anyway, let's keep doing it. Keep going. Almost there. Nice big plump cheeses. Nice. Look. Nice. Look. This is good stuff. Handcrafted. Feslarini. Molto bene. Perfecto. Sugar. Get a little bit of this, a little bit of that. One more thing. We got to put a little bit of this, just a little bit. Not too much.
We gotta have a cheese.
That's good. Mama, come in here. Look at the cheesy. We put the cheesy on. Mama, she run away because there's too much cheesy. I just want 1 or 2 more pieces of meatsies. You just put it on there like a little happiness, right? You put it on there. You not do it perfect, or you do it just the way you want to do it. Look at that. Couple there, couple here. Everything is perfect. Perfecto. Everything look like it tastes good. You have to do this with me now. Go ahead. You make them yourself, you make them your way. We make them our way. This is perfect. All right. Now we go down below. We go below at a 275 to 300, no problem. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. We put you to bed and we come back. Make things look pretty. Yeah. That's the bomb. Tune in for the reveal. Everybody, it's quiet out here. We're waiting for our bagels. Somebody's leaving. Oh no.
Let's make a discovery.
All we have to do is discoveries.
I just found the best mini pepperoni. You want to know why?
Why?
Because it's egg-shaped.
Get out.
Look at it. It's egg-shaped.
No way.
And you know what I'm going to do with it?
What you gonna do with
I'm
it?
going to eat it.
Ah! I had to pump it up. 400 degrees. We want that stuff melted with it nice and soft in the middle. Woohoo! Yeah! Hey, Ha. Do you know anybody that would like pizza?
I think it'll be Marley.
Who?
Marley.
Who?
Marley!
Marley! Marley! Do you want pizza, man? Meow. Tell me if you want pizza. Meow. No? Crickets. All right, how many green balloons do you see? Now, here I am just thinking, I ain't gonna go sticking my hand in there. I'm gonna have to use me my glovins. Glovins. I did it one-handed. Time for the spin. Here we go. Look at this. Look at this. They're spinning. All right, kidlies. You think you could take my glove off now? I gotta, like, get the, red sauce off. The pizza sauce. Thank you. Hi, kitty! Jesus. Yeah, that's right. That's my loins. Oh, yeah. Are you ready? I'm ready. You ready? I'm ready. Should we take a look? Let's take a look. Okay. Perfect. Look at these. Huh? Perfect. That's the way you want it. All right. They're piping hot. Ooh, they look perfect. We're going to slice this puppy up. This looks like a little piece, a little wedge, a little piece of slice of heaven. Should we try it? Come on, tell me. You want to know? Let's do it. All right, here we go. Better than the bagel bites. Sorry, bagel bites. This dude rocks it. All right, so folks, you saw how I made them. If you haven't made them before, make them. Try it. You'll love it. Great for a Friday, Saturday night. I don't think I'm forgetting anything. You saw the taste test, so I'm going to serve them up to the family. Love you guys. Please like, subscribe, share, spread me around. And always, when you see a veteran down and out, pick him or her up and give them a kiss, love, or a hug. They will love it. Or if you make a bagel pizza, give them a slice of that.